Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change language in Google Photo. Right, so if you want to actually change your Google language, like on your Google Photo app like this, and you want to just change the language, actually I'm going to show you a few steps on how to do that. Yeah, so the first step you have to take is you will have to click on this right here, your profile right there, and click on that, right, and click on manage your Google account. So now you have to search for language, right, so you have to wait for it to load up. Yeah, you can see, so you click on language, and now you have to select the language. You can see English right there, so just click on that and you have to type in the language you want to change it to. So change it to French. Yeah, right there. So I've changed it already, but you should be aware that after changing it from here, it won't still reflect on your Google Photo. So how are you going to do that? You have to change it from your phone settings. You have to change your device language. So how are we going to go do that? We're going to go to our phone settings like this and search for language. See, language. You search for language. No, sorry. General management, and yeah, right here, click on that and you can now add the language. You can now add French to it. So after doing that, you can now go back and it's going to reflect. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.